Number 1.
1988 Dodge Dakota, price $8,950. It has only 61,000 original miles on the odometer and remains in exceptional condition for its age. Powered by a reliable 3.9L V6 paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives beautifully, making it equally suited for daily use, parades, or weekend car shows. The truck wears its factory red paint, accented by the original graphics kit and chrome wheels, giving it a period-correct look that still turns heads. The light gray interior is in pristine condition, rated a perfect 10 out of 10, and features factory air conditioning and cruise control for added comfort. A rear sliding glass window further enhances its practicality. This Dakota has never been driven in rain or snow, ensuring that both the body and frame remain entirely rust-free. It comes with a clean and clear original title, a rare find for a truck of this vintage. The only sign of age is some light sun fading on the stepside bed, which is minor compared to its overall outstanding condition.
Number 2.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,200, showing just over 130,000 miles. It comes equipped with a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance through its 2WD drivetrain, finished in a bright red exterior with a well-preserved tan interior. The truck stands out not only for its classic look but also for its excellent condition inside and out. The interior remains in remarkable shape for its age, while the exterior is very clean, making it a standout example of a late 90s Silverado. This truck is offered with a clean title and has proven itself to be reliable and easy to live with. It runs and drives great, with cold air conditioning, strong heat, and overall road manners that make it suitable for daily use or relaxed weekend cruising.
Well maintained and ready to go, it represents both utility and classic Chevrolet charm. Number 3.
1977 Ford F250, price $9,750, shows just 96,000 miles and retains its original red paint paired with a matching red interior. Under the hood sits the strong 460 V8 engine mated to a dependable C6 automatic transmission, delivering smooth power and reliability. The truck runs and drives nicely, with good oil pressure, and has been well preserved over the years. Its overall condition is solid, with only a couple of small spots beginning to appear on the floor pan, a minor issue for a vehicle of this age. With its classic styling, original finish, and dependable performance, this F250 stands as a solid example of a late 1970s workhorse that is still ready for the road. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1979 Dodge D150, price $5,500. The truck has traveled 72,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in its original red paint with a matching red interior, the truck still carries much of its classic charm. Although the paint could use a good buff and wax to bring back its original shine, the body remains in great shape for its age. Originally a Georgia truck, it starts right up without hesitation, and the transmission shifts smoothly, making it a well-preserved example of a late 70s Dodge pickup. Running on gasoline, this D150 is a strong and reliable classic that reflects both durability and style from its era.
Number 5.
1994 Ford F250, price $4,000, features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and has 270,000 miles on the odometer. Over the past year, a number of important components have been replaced, including the starter, solenoid, alternator, and a few other parts. A brand new battery was installed just a month ago, and the transmission was swapped out for another used unit about a year back. Since the original one had lost reverse, even with its age, the truck continues to run and drive smoothly, showing the durability these F150s are known for. That said, it is still a 30-year-old vehicle and comes with a few quirks. The air conditioning is no longer functional, and there is an exhaust leak that the current owner never had the chance to repair. Occasionally, the check engine light will appear, most likely triggered by the exhaust issue, though it has no impact on performance.
Number 6.
1979 Dodge D200, price $8,500, showing just 50,000 miles on the odometer.
It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance for its age.
The exterior is finished in brown, complemented by a matching brown interior that has been kept in very nice condition. The cabin is equipped with desirable features such as air conditioning, cruise control, tilt steering, and a brake controller, making it a comfortable choice for both work and leisure driving. While the truck runs and drives well, it could benefit from a replacement brake booster to bring it to its best condition. The body shows only minimal rust, which is impressive for its age, and adds to the truck's overall solid presentation.
Number 7.
1994 Ford F250, price $5,500. It has 139,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it remains all original with nothing rigged or altered.
The truck runs and drives beautifully, and its underside is completely rust-free.
The interior is also in good shape, reflecting how well it has been cared for over the years. While not perfect, it is in far better condition than most F150s of this era currently on the market.
Powered by a gasoline engine, it starts right up and drives very nicely. The rear fuel tank works fine, though the truck will need a new front fuel pump.
It could also benefit from new front manual locking hubs, as well as fresh rotors and brake pads.
Aside from these minor needs, it stands as a solid and well-preserved classic pickup. Number 8.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,850. With 200,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives great without any known issues.
Powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance on the road.
The truck seats up to 6 passengers comfortably with its front bench seat and rear seating, making it both practical and versatile. Finished in green with a clean gray interior, it presents itself well and has clearly been kept in great condition for its age.
It features dual exhaust, nice SS wheels fitted with brand new tires, and most impressively, the body shows no rust at all.
For anyone seeking a reliable full-size pickup that blends strength, comfort, and classic style, the Sierra stands out as an excellent choice.
Number 9.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. Finished in a classic blue exterior, the truck is completely rust-free and has been well kept throughout its life. It has traveled 214,000 miles, but the freshly rebuilt 5.7L TBI motor ensures strong and reliable performance. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, making it ready for both daily driving and hauling needs. Equipped with a factory tow package that includes a hitch and trailer brake, this Silverado is built to handle work with ease. For added convenience, it features keyless entry and a remote start system. A Bose sound system has been installed, providing upgraded audio quality for a more enjoyable drive. The rebuild included new bearings, a new camshaft and lifters, rebuilt heads, cleaned pistons, and all new gaskets.
Number 10.
1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,900, solid and reliable work truck with just 65,000 miles on the odometer. It comes in a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior, featuring a regular cab and a long bed. Under the hood, it is powered by the original 5.7L 350 TBI engine matched to its original automatic transmission, both of which remain in excellent condition with no leaks. The truck is equipped with power steering and a tilt wheel for easier handling, along with a functional radio and CD player. While it is a basic work truck with manual windows and locks, it does come with newer wheels and tires that have only about 3,000 miles of use. Practical additions include a protective bedliner and a sturdy toolbox in the bed, making it ready for hauling and work duties.